Every morning, the birds of Spring Valley neighborhood would watch the sunrise with Midgee the cat. Midgee would watch from his window and the birds would perch on the telephone poles nearby. Poleyluv and Twitter would frequently argue about who had the right to perch on top of Poleyluv for the best view. They decided to have a race to see who was going to be on the very top of Poleyluv in the morning for sunrise. They thought they should ask Midgee to officiate the race and award the winner. They went to Midgee's window and asked if he would agree to judge the race. He said he would be happy to help. They agreed that they would race around the roof AC unit and Poleyluv 3 times. To prepare for the race, they went to the gym all week and lifted weights, and then they drank protein shakes. The day of the race, Midgee sat on top of the broken exercise bicycle in front of the house and watched through his binoculars very carefully. The baby birds sat on the sunflowers to watch the race, and the adults sat in the bleachers on the roof. Poleyluv and Twitter took off from the AC unit and flew back and forth as fast as they could. Round and round they went. In the end, Midgee declared the race a draw. He did not know who the first place ribbon should be awarded to. After that day, the birds all decided to share the view together. The end.